Welcome back. Let's look at the different service types. We know that a service is a component that helps us to talk to other pods inside our worker node without we having to directly choose the IP of the pod and interact with it. Because we know the IPs tend to change dynamically. But this service component is also of different types. So let's look at the different types of the service component. So the first type of the service component is cluster IP. What does it mean is it exposes a service which is only accessible within the cluster. So if we choose the service creation and service while creating a service, if we choose the type as cluster IP, then it is going to create a service which is only accessible or private to the Kubernetes cluster. But if we choose the service type as node port, then it will expose a service via static port on the node's IP address. So it will create a static port on this particular worker node IP address level, and we can then access the pod with that port and then the worker node IP address. Then the third type of the service type is load balancer. This is mostly used in the production environment where it exposes a service via cloud provider's load balancer. And this is also the most useful one on the cloud environment because this helps the service also act as a load balancer to route the traffic according to the load. Then we have the external name. This is a service type which maps the service to a predefined external name field by returning the value for a CNAME record. So if we want to map a domain name, let's say specifically for our need with the help of CNAME record, then we should go for this external name service type. So these are the different service types that we have in Kubernetes. Thank you.